Hey, assalamu alaikum fam, welcome back to another class. So in that class is really pretty much informative, and we are going to learn about something new because we are working on the Adobe Animate. But on our first class I just tell you, so before learning Adobe Animate, you must learn how to use the Adobe Illustrator. So it will help you to make your design on Adobe Illustrator. So when you make your design in Adobe Illustrator, so it will be give you some really some advantages, so you can make it your design easily, and also some helpful and also useful, some when you are making design, Adobe Illustrator is the best. So now today's class, how you use your Adobe Illustrator design into convert into Adobe Animate file. So this is our Adobe Illustrator. So if you don't know about the Adobe Illustrator, so don't worry about that. So I must suggest you go to my YouTube page. So there's you get totally A to Z on Adobe Illustrator class, so you can learn from A to Z. So you can learn Adobe Illustrator easily. So that's how you can design. So when you just make your design, when you just make your design or make design, then you will have to convert it into your Adobe Animate file. So that's the file, and I want to convert it into Adobe Animate. So that's the file. That's the file I just download from Wathch, I think. So then just this is the ready-made file, and now just how to just take it, and this is the Adobe Illustrator. Just open your Adobe Animate. So when you open your Adobe Animate, it will help you to move it. So just click all of them, just click and drag, and just Adobe Animate option in here. So in here, just throw it, just paste as using AI file as imported preference, and just maintain layer. Just click all of them in here, just maintain layer, apply recommended important setting, resolve incompatibility. So then just press the OK. So when you just press the OK, so you just you get the file. So is here this our Adobe Illustrator file. In here we get Adobe Animate. So in here, so that's too much easy to operate, So when you just make a design in Adobe Illustrator, so that will help you to easy to make, and Adobe Animate you can easily control it. So I must prefer it to. So if you want to learn this Adobe Animate, you must learn this Adobe Illustrator. So that's really pretty much easier. So don't worry about that, you can learn it. So if you learn Adobe Animate, you can obviously understand make the Adobe Illustrator option. So there's no problem at all. So this is our the file. So just press F8 for make it sample. I just tell you in last class how to make it sample. So just make F8 on your keyboard. So then just this convert to sample option, just make it graphics, and midpoint is a registration. When you registration is it will be middle. So that's okay. So when you just make it when you just make it sample, you don't have this all the layer in here. So you can layer. So this is our main parts, and then we have to, when we go to the depth, just double click on the double click on the file. So you go into the body parts or the main design. So this is the sample and this is the sense. So this is the sense part. So when you just double click on this on your sample, you go to your the sample part. So you can move it, you can click it, you can fix it, anything. So like this. So that's pretty much simple, and I tell you the last class, but I repeat it, so you just help you. And now just today's is I'm not taking so much information. So just I just give you some important thing. Just select them and select the object and press the right button. When you just, if you want to reflect it, when you we work on Adobe Illustrator, so we have some reflective option, so you can reflect in vertical and horizontally. But in here also have option, you can reflect it and vertically and horizontally. Just select it and transform. Just when you just select and click the right button and the transform, and in here you see that this is a flip vertical and flip horizontal. When you just flip vertical, you see that it's moved vertically, it's a flip vertically. And Control Z for again Control Z for if you do any mistakes. So you can press the Control Z and again right but click right button, then transform and then flip horizontal. So you see that this way we can change it. And also how to copy it, just press the Alt on your keyboard, you can copy it. Press the Alt and just drag them and just throw it. So you can copy it, in that how. And for this so this is it, this is how you can copy and paste. Just press the Alt and click on your mouse and just drag and drop, just copy it. In that how you can copy it. So yeah, you can go to your previous option, so press the Ctrl Z. So if you do anything mistake, so you can press the Ctrl Z. So that's it. And again another here, so transform option. So if you want to rotate it, so 90 degree angles, so you can use the shortcut key Ctrl Shift M9, but rotate in here, you can rotate it 90 degree angles in here. So that's the introduction I want to say you. So in here some arrange option, so you see this part. So in here, so this taxis and that taxi, so that taxi is under the behind this taxi. So if you want to this taxi is upper from this taxi, so how to do that? So just click on them and then arrange, bring to front. So each taxi is upper part. So that's a pretty much simple thing, and that's it. So you can in how you can any kind of backgrounds, you can any kind of layer is a front, and you can work in the in how, so how to make it front, how to make it back. So if you want to make it back, so again transform, arrange in here, so send to back. So in here you can send to back. So this is things. So that's in how today we learn. So transform option and also the arrange option, and so align is a, so you can align, so your both of them, so align them. So that's the thing. And I think this is really done for this class. I just today's class I want to be shorter, because today's I just give you the some the fundamental rules, something rules you don't know, so that's help you. And so if you know the Adobe, so if you learn the Adobe Illustrator, if you know knowledge about the Adobe Illustrator, so that all thing you already know about that. But I want to repeat it because everyone doesn't know about the Adobe Illustrator software. So thank you so much. See you next class, and next class will be more interesting, and please keep support. When you make the subscribe, just comment down, so everyone see this. So I and I'm really sorry about my English, but every single class I just want to be everything solved, because I want to say everyone learn that, so everyone easily, smoothly. So that's it. See you another class, and take care. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum. You get this what you want, and wish you proper respect your time. And if you think that's really useful for you, please subscribe and make this family bigger. If we make it together, we can make these changes. And thank you so much.